In this video tutorial, I will show you how to add text to speech in Clipchamp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. First, upload your video content to the timeline. To begin, I'll navigate to the Record and Create button. Upon selection, the text-to-speech option becomes visible, and that's where I'll click next. This opens up a range of language choices and voice preferences, including over 70 different languages. In the Language tab, I'll browse and select English, United States, as my preferred language. Then, under the Voice tab, there's a variety of masculine and feminine voices with diverse accents. For this project, I'm opting for a feminine voice. I'll use the speed slider to fine-tune the speech tempo. Next, I'll enter the script into the text box, segmenting it for easier insertion into the video timeline. This step ensures that the AI voiceover aligns perfectly with the video segments, avoiding re-recording hassles. After pasting the script, I'll hit Preview to listen to the AI-generated voice.
And giving the video a thumbs up. First, upload your video content to the timeline.
This is where I can make any necessary adjustments, like modifying the speech speed or switching the voice. I've decided to increase the speech speed and try out various voice options until the recording sounds just right. Once satisfied, I'll select Save, and the recording will automatically upload to my timeline. From there, I can drag the recording to the appropriate section of my video. To ensure everything aligns correctly, I'll play back the video. I'll repeat these steps for my final text-to-speech segment to complete the video. I trust this tutorial will be beneficial for you. Please like and share.